All right, listeners, thanks for joining, because tonight we're exploring human readiness for the AI explosion. The sheer scale of investment alone is mind-boggling. We're talking about Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft pouring over $251 billion into AI infrastructure in 2024, a massive 62% jump from the previous year, with plans to exceed $300 billion in 2025. The prize? Nothing less than superior intelligence on tap. As AI becomes real in many enterprises, we're realizing that the real risks are not Terminator fantasy scenarios, but the practical, widespread social and human disruption that AI's cascading impact will bring. This leads us to our first core theme, the profound shift towards human-AI collaboration as the key to successful AI adoption. Research increasingly supports the idea that human-AI interaction is evolving into something truly collaborative, often termed hybrid intelligence or collaborative intelligence. This isn't about AI replacing human capabilities. It's about combining human and AI strengths for superior outcomes. Wharton calls it a transformative shift toward a more holistic, human-centered approach to technology and work, while the World Economic Forum sees AI teammates adapting and learning to achieve shared objectives with people. IBM even frames it as an era of human-machine partnership. Imagine this future state. Every team in your organization is partnered with a superior intelligence in the cloud. For this to work, humans will need novel skills, learning to ask the right questions, to critically evaluate AI responses, and to build consensus with AI teammates. And what roles can this AI partner play? Think of it as a thoughtful whiteboard for brainstorming, an administrative assistant handling routine tasks, an innovation lab for prototypes and analysis, or even an impartial critic, reviewing your creative work for clarity and impact. Critically, AI is a neutral tool. It has no intent. Only humans can supply intent, driving the strategic and creative direction. While AI provides its breadth of research, its intelligent analysis, and its insight generation, it becomes a launchpad for human creativity, guided by human intentions. Now, for our second major theme. Achieving enterprise-wide AI enablement requires a strategic, structured approach toward AI maturity. We're challenged by widespread variation in AI literacy across organizations. Many companies are still in an experimentation phase, and while 78% of workers want to learn to use AI, a significant portion remains either AI avoidant or just AI familiar. Leaders thankfully show higher proficiency, but very few organizations are successfully integrating AI in a structured way. This is where the AI achievers come in. That small fraction of firms that have advanced their AI maturity enough to achieve superior growth and business transformation. Accenture research highlights 5 critical success practices that distinguish these AI standouts. First, they champion AI as a strategic priority with full leadership sponsorship. This means formal senior backing, budgeting for training, encouraging experimentation. It means articulating a clear vision of strategic intent. Second, they invest heavily in talent to get more from AI investments. This is about bridging that literacy gap through a robust program of retraining, reskilling, and remotivating teams to partner with AI. They attract and retain AI skills intentionally. Third, they industrialize AI tools and teams to create a strong AI core. Think of an operational data and AI platform that balances experimentation with execution, enabling isolated and safe experimentation, while preparing for the architectural evolution of infrastructure, data, and production. Fourth, they design AI responsibly from the start, especially in the case of AI in which the path to a response may not be transparent. Trust is paramount. If your teams don't trust the transition process or the AI's contribution, transformation efforts are in vain. Achievers build trust by prioritizing responsibility by design, integrating ethical frameworks and clear usage policies proactively to ensure fairness, and build confidence in the transformation, technology, and output. And finally, they prioritize long and short-term AI investments. Since AI experimentation and evolution will be a long and surprising journey, AI investment should be commensurate. AI achievers forecast increasing their spending on AI enablement into the next decade. Achieving human AI readiness is a strategic imperative, requiring vision, planning, and adaptability. The future vision of teams collaborating naturally with AI partners will demand skills we're just beginning to imagine, like learning to chat, brainstorm, and create with what is, in essence, an alien intelligence. In learning to understand and collaborate with an artificial intelligence, we may discover again that the real barriers are human, all too human. Thanks for joining.